Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Lige smartwatch for man with Bluetooth and make call function and voice speaker. It comes for Android and iOS. Smart watch with 1.32 inches full touch screen, IP67 waterproof. It's a fitness tracker watch with heart rate and sleep monitor, and of course a lot of more functions. It is available in black as shown here, and it is available in silver. You can choose. The new upgraded smartwatch is equipped with a high-quality speaker and a professional communication chip. After connection to the Bluetooth and our smartphone, we can answer, dial, hang up the phone directly on the watch. That frees our hands. The smartwatch for Android phones will vibrate to alert us if our phone receives a phone call or an SMS messages. Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Everything is possible. What's in the notifications you can see and use it here on the screen. We will never miss any message during meetings or workouts. And the fitness watch has a built-in enhanced biosensor chip that integrated objects, structure, and algorithm. It uses PPG photoelectric sensor principles to 724 hours heart rate monitor accurately to protect our health. The Bluetooth watch can track our sleep status and provides detailed analytics of our sleep quality. For example, deep sleep phase, light sleep phase, and awake time to help us better understand our health and make reasonable adjustment on our lifestyle, baby. The Lige smartwatch has more than 20 sport modes for daily exercise, walking, running, cycling, yoga, and so on. The smartwatch is waterproof. This uses the smart exercise data analytics to track our exercise time, calories burned, and other exercise status in real time. It can help us achieve our fitness goals easily. The rich smartwatch is, of course, IP67 waterproof, but for long life, it is not recommended to wear it in hot bath. But you can go swimming with it, so it is IP67. Not over a long time, don't go diving with it, but it is daily use, no problem, to contain it with water. The Lige fashionable smartwatch using a 1.32 inches TFT full touch screen, 360 through 360 HD resolution to provide us with excellent image quality and outstanding visual effects. We choose from over 200 online personalized dials to meet diverse aesthetics, as you can see. Wow, we can DIY the watch faces. We add pictures we like. This smartwatch has a rotating slide button which can directly switch pages or scroll up. This side button is the crown, and the crown is a button function and a rotary function. This is really cool. A cool feature. If you like it, you can use it. And this makes our operation on the dial more powerful and easily. The LIGE smartwatch is compatible with all smartphones out there that uses iOS 8.0 or Android OS 4.4 or of course above, and Bluetooth 4.0 or above. Stainless steel smartwatch. This has many practical functions such as weather forecast, music control, remote camera, stopwatch, timer function, alert clock, sedentary reminder, brightness adjustment, and so many more functions. LIGE is a stylish watch brand popular in Europe and, of course, in America. It includes traditional watches, digital watches, and smartwatches for men and women, and so on. The comprehensive upgrade in appearance, function, quality, and packaging meets our expectations and brings a better experience easily. This is the 2023 upgraded smartwatch. We can answer and take calls. And this is our 24 hours online health helper. We could dial the phone's call and take and talk with the smartwatch. Even support contacts and call records stored on the watch. Much easier and more convenient to dial and answer and hang up the phone calls. We will never miss any important calls or messages. We can stay connected to our family, friends, or music, notifications, and more. When the smartwatch is synchronized with the smartphone, we can get the phone calls, the SMS, the SNS messages, including notifications by Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, messages, emails, etc. We go exercise, it knows everything we want to play. The smartwatch, with 100 and more sports modes, monitors our heart rate, distance, and calories in real time, and saves these important data, which will help us to unlock more different skills with that. We have a heart rate monitor. It detects our heart rate throughout the day. The heart rate data of the watch appears every 10 minutes. We can manually track our heart rate data in real time on the watch. And the sleep tracking mode is cool. Automatically detects and tracks our sleep and provide us with the deep sleep and provide us with the light sleep and the wake-up phase. And it's letting us know more about our sleep quality. We can also set vibration alerts to wake us up. And drink reminder and sedentary reminder. When we are immersed in work and remain sitting for a long time, the smartwatch will vibrate to remind us to have a rest for a while. The fitness watch can remind our drinking water every once in a while according to our settings to help to keep our body in a good state too. And we have weather forecast. The smartwatch will show the weather for the next 7 days. This is allowing us to check the specific weather at any time without a phone. The weather function needs to be connected to the mobile phone, of course, to update it in real time. And when we forget where our phone is, we tap the Find the Phone function on the smartwatch. Then our phone will ring and vibrate. That's cool. And multifunctional smartwatch. We take photo, music control, breath training, alarm, clock, sedentary reminder, and so many more. So cool. This is the really good looking and nice, full of feature Lige, L-I-G-E smartwatch for man. With Bluetooth sensor, wake up call, voice speaker options for Android and iOS devices. 1.32 inches full touchscreen, IP67 waterproof. It's a nice fitness tracker with heart rate and sleep monitor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.